Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. Simple answers for gardening, relationships, and life. I'm Marion Owen. This, my friend, is the sound of money. Okay, so they're actually seeds, but these seeds can help you save money. That's right. You can drastically reduce your grocery bills by growing at least some of your own veggies. And one of the simplest ways to do that is to grow your plants from seeds. So let's take a look under the hood and learn the basic steps of seed starting. Now we're starting these seedlings indoors, mainly to get a jump on the growing season. Now for those of you who live in the land of oranges and alligators, you can pretty much skip this step and simply toss the seeds out the front door. To decide what to grow, make a list of what you like to eat. Then compare your list with what thrives in your area. Vegetables that prefer a head start include lettuce, tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, cabbage, broccoli, and zucchini. Later in the spring, when the soil warms up, you can directly sow things like peas, carrots, radishes, and potatoes. Meanwhile, start by rounding up a few containers. Sure, you can buy seed starting pots, but it's more fun to get the kids involved in a treasure hunt for yogurt cups and cottage cheese tubs. Poke drainage holes in the bottoms and fill them with moist potting soil. Tear open the packet of seeds and tap out a few of those little guys. Cover them with a little more soil and sprinkle with water. Now set the containers in a warm spot, preferably under fluorescent shop lights. Yeah, I know, the kitchen windowsill makes a handy ledge for raising seedlings, but they don't provide enough light. Young plants need 16 hours of light each day, so get some inexpensive fluorescent lights and a timer. As your seedlings grow, water them enough to keep them from drying out, but not enough so they're treading water. You'll also want to improve air circulation by placing a small fan so it gently blows across the seedlings. Moving air provides a steady supply of carbon dioxide and keeps your seedlings strong and disease-free. When your seedlings sprout their second set of leaves, start feeding them with a weak organic fertilizer. Finally, here's my last bit of wisdom. Growing your own vegetables is a lot like surfing. Once you get a taste of it, you're hooked. For a complete set of seed starting tips, my email address is mygarden@alaska.net. Until next time, I'm Marion Owen.